You can't attach a penny bottle. Please. More wheels. Okay, that and a nice shade of silver. See, Furry is just fun to play with. Okay, I'm gonna try something and I hope it works.
I might go get a 6-foot ladder with us.
Put an S on the other side.
Okay.
It's running. You're doing it too much, Ethan.
Okay. With the inside again. So we got dirt on the back. Then we got future in the front. Look! Even got blood on it. Right there. Now you have pink silver. No, I'm actually gonna fade that purple.
Alright, Ethan, I want you to give me a rundown. Tell me how this experiment has gone so far. What was our first try? What was wrong with that? What we do different? What all did we change?
I don't remember our first try. Actually, yes I do. Okay. So here's the rundown. Our first try used to be about 3 times as small as that. We had regular wheels on the front.
You want to take your mask off so I can hear you better?
And the back off, that's breathe better. I'll put this back on though. Okay. So. Okay. First, our car was a lot smaller. It had DVD wheels in the back, and regular wheels about that big in diameter in the front. Now, it was powered by the mousetrap. Where this is powered by the mousetrap, but you can see it's connected to it. But this is connected to, but this string right here, that connects to a little holder thing on the back. And that, once we turn it to get it revved up, then once we let go, this goes forward, pulling that, making the wheels spin until that string lets go, and then it's just kinetic energy still going. Now, and us putting tension on the back, that's potential energy, or PE. Now, once we had all that, our first try didn't have the wheel and axle on it, so it was a little harder. And
What happened on the first try? It just like jumped up and went forward about a foot, huh?
it jumped and then it went forward.
Because we...
Well, our very first try, I whacked it with the starter, which was the pencil, you can see here, and well, wouldn't go until eventually I whacked it, and it got to our second try, or our other first try, and it jumped, and then it went a foot. Now,
That's when we had a different design. We had the
then-
mouse trap upside down. We were just trying to push off with the ground.
then we had to modify it because our design was not the best. So, while I was gone, my assistant, he was able to get the phone and a compact license plate, and put it all together in a rectangular thing. And then, whenever I returned, we had the 2 records we were able to super glue them to this pencil. Then we had an axle on here and these two silver things. Now, it didn't always have this big of an axle. It used to be just the pencil itself. Until Uncle Brandon, my assistant, theoried that because our axle is small, it wouldn't quite go. Now that we have the larger axle, it will go. It just won't do. But it goes, it goes. Now you see, we've spray painted it, and this was our final result. Now I thought us having a slope, gravity would help it go forward.
So having the big wheel in the back and the small one in the front.
Yeah, I was thinking that would sort of help it go forward. And this was our end product. And first test was rather successful. Now we do still have just one minor problem, and that's steering. But I'm sure we'll be able to fix that sometime soon.
What's your best suggestion for how you think we should adjust the steering?
Honestly, my best suggestion is we possibly try to bend this metal part so it'll go like that, and then we take that off and put it on like that, so it will be in the middle, and that'll balance it out and probably make it go straight. But it's already assembled and it works pretty good.
And how far did we go?
Our very good distance, we started from right here to the back end. Now we did start wobbling, but we did make it all the way right there. That was a total of 24 feet.
Cool.
So we had a very successful test run, and my science project is not done.
All right, now state your name for the camera and give a closing statement.
My name is Ethan Stone. My assistant's name is Brandon Stone, otherwise known to me as Uncle Brandon. And my final statement, if you ever need help in a mousetrap car like this, you now know a simple basic idea. Bye.
Cool.